Craving pizza but don't have a fancy oven? No problem. Let me show you how to make this delicious crispy pizza without an oven. Hi, and welcome to Dobby's Signature, where you learn all the learnables. Let's get started. First things first. To learn how to make the dough, simply skip to the midsection of this video to see the process. To begin, you flour the work surface with all-purpose flour or corn flour. For this, I used corn flour for that extra flavor it gives my pizzas. Grab the risen dough and roll it out to match the size of your pan. To get our pan ready, grab a non-stick skillet and drizzle in a bit of olive oil. Heat it up over medium heat. Place the dough in the pan and let it cook for about 2 minutes until the bottom gets a light golden brown crisp. Time to build the flavor. Spread a layer of tomato sauce over the dough. You can use store-bought or whip up a quick homemade sauce with crushed tomatoes, garlic, and basil. Now comes the best part. Generously sprinkle the onions over the sauce. Next, sprinkle the ham over the onion and sauce. Finally, sprinkle the mozzarella all over. You can actually add your favorite toppings: pepperoni, mushrooms, whatever you love. Cover the pan with a lid and turn the heat down to low. Let the pizza cook for 8 to 10 minutes, or until the cheese is perfectly melted and bubbly. And there you have it, your very own pan pizza. Crispy on the bottom, gooey on top, and bursting with flavor. Who needs a pizza oven when you've got this simple trick? Serve it up hot and enjoy your homemade masterpiece, straight from the pan to your plate. Happy cooking! Now let me show you how to make the dough. First, you proof the yeast by mixing sugar, yeast, and water together. If it looks like this, you can use it for the dough. Next, in a mixing bowl, combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour, a teaspoon of sugar, a pinch of salt, and the instant yeast mix. Add in about 3/4 cup of warm water and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Mix it all together until it forms a smooth dough. Now, knead it for about 5 minutes. You want it soft, but not too sticky. Cover your dough with a clean towel and let it rest for about 30 minutes until it doubles in size. Don't worry, it's worth the wait. While the dough rises, let's get our pan ready. Grab a nonstick skillet and drizzle in a bit of olive oil. Heat it over medium heat. Once your dough has risen, you can now use it to make your pizza. Till next time, bye-bye.